Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Hannah. Today we are going to learn some basic formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel. So let's go and learn it. This is the dataset that I'm going to use today, and these are the list of those functions that we are going to learn today. So let's start. The first one is sum. If you see, we can sum and add numbers in three ways. The first one is the manual way. So we will write down the equal sign and write down each value manually, like 87,992 plus 97,649 and so on. But it will take a lot of time. So the first one was not easy. The second method is to reference the cells. For example, here, click on this cell, then plus the other cell, then plus the other cell, and so on. But again, it will take a lot of time. So what is the third way? The third way is very simple way. You can use a built-in function in Microsoft Excel, which is sum. So equal sign, sum, hit the tab key, select the range of values that you want to sum, hit the enter key. Now you can see it was very fast, it was very easy. You can use this method. The other function is average. Again, you can do it manually by writing the numbers individually, or you can reference the cells. And the third way, which is very easy, the built-in function, which is in Microsoft Excel, the average function, equal sign, average. As soon as you start seeing the function, hit the tab key, select the range of cells that has the value, and hit the enter key. You can see that this is the average, 46,092. The other function is max. If you want to find out the maximum salary in between these salaries, so you can use the max function. Select the range of cells, hit the enter key. It's 98,473. To proofread it, let's go and sort our data from largest to smallest. You can see that it's the largest one. The other function is min. If you want to find out the minimum salary among the salaries, so you can use the minimum function, which is min, equal sign min, then select the range of cells, hit the enter key. 5,124. Here you can see also that 5,127.24 is the minimum salary. The other function is count. You can see that here we have two functions, count and count A. Now what is the difference between count and count A? Let's go and see it. If you use count, suppose you want to find out the count of values in these two columns, hit the enter key. It's 26. Now let's use count A and see what it will return. Count A, again select the same range, hit the enter key, it's 52. I think you already understood what it does. Count will return the number of numerical values only, but count A will return the number of numerical and string values altogether. The other function is left. Left will return to you the characters from the left side of the string and how many that you specify. So let's go and use this. And I will insert a column here. I will use the left function here. This is the text, comma, number of characters. I just want the one character from the left side and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it returned for me only one character from the left side of the text. The other function is right. Right is the same as left. The only difference is that, as its name says, it will return from the right side of the text. So let's insert here a column and use the right function. This is the text, comma, and number of characters. This time I want two characters. Hit the enter key. As simple as that. The other function is proper. And the proper, if you see, in every word, it will capitalize only the first character of it. So here we have the full name. Let's insert a column here. Insert, equal sign proper. Hit the tab key. Select the cell, text, and hit the enter key. Now you can see that it capitalized the first letter of each word. The other two functions are lower and upper. First, let's see what upper does. It will capitalize all characters in the text. So let's go and use it. Equal sign upper. This is the text. Hit the enter key. Now you can see that it capitalized all the characters. And the lower is opposite to that. It will lowercase all of the characters. So equal sign lower, then select the text, hit the enter key. You can see that it returned the same as it was because it was already in the lowercase. Now let's use the proper case again. Proper. Hit the tab key, select this text and hit the enter key. Okay, you can use the uppercase here also. Let's use the uppercase alongside with the left function. Upper, hit the tab key, close the parentheses, and hit the enter key. And the last function is trim. Here you can see that I have a lot of unnecessary spaces that I don't want to be there. So we can use the trim function to get rid of these unnecessary spaces. How we can do this? Let's use the trim function alongside with the proper function. Trim, hit the tab key, and close the parentheses. Hit the enter key. Now it's a lot more cleaner than before. So let's go and copy all of our data set and paste it as value, because right now we have formulas that reference other cells. If we delete these cells, then it will be deleted from there also. So now if we delete these unnecessary columns, it will not return any error for us. I don't need these columns. And let's rename these columns ID and full name. And the last one is gender. As simple as that. If you found this video helpful, consider liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.